Every once in a while, you'll find yourself in a position where the HUD, the heads-up display that helps you understand how the adjustments you're making with various controls are affecting the image, is overlapping part of the image that you need to see. Now, to show this in this particular situation, I'm going to go into my heads-up display options, and I'm going to make the heads-up display bigger. Let's just say I'm the kind of person that loves to have a big, huge HUD. And then I click into exposure because I want to dial the exposure down so I'm not clipping those highlights. And of course, if what I'm interested in seeing is the woman and the products in the back of the pickup truck, then I've got a problem. However, I can solve this problem by pressing the H key. As long as I hold the H key down, the HUD temporarily gets out of my way, so I can go ahead and make adjustments and see how they impact the image. And when I want to see the HUD's analysis again, I can release the H key and the HUD will come back.